Today on Talkpoint, we're taking a closer look at new remarks from former President Donald Trump, who has drawn attention for shifting his public stance on the recent release of court reports connected to Jeffrey Epstein's personal legal cases. The topic has generated intense discussion online, and today we are focusing strictly on verified information, avoiding speculation and ensuring clarity on what has actually been confirmed by reputable sources. In his latest comments, Trump said they support the release of all Epstein-related court documents, describing transparency as a priority. His position marks a noticeable change from earlier public statements in which he did not actively call for the full release of these materials. The shift comes as federal continue an unsolved record tied to long-running civil litigation, a process that has been underway for several years. According to verified reporting from major news organizations and newly released documents as part of a routine legal procedure ordered by a federal judge. This record includes deposition, expert reference to witness statements, and administrative filings from past cases. Legal experts emphasize that these documents are not new criminal findings and they do not confirm wrongdoing and individual named in them. Instead, they offer historical context about people who are interviews, disposition, and social contacts. It is also important to emphasize that the release of this document is not directed by any political figure. The decisions are made entirely by federal courts based on motions filed by attorney, media organizations, and transparency advocates. Judges determine what can be honest with protecting legally sensitive information. This process predicts current election cycles for hours long-established rules governing public access to federal records. In addressing his own association with the topic, Trump reiterated that he had no involvement in a Epstein criminal product and said the support making all documents publicly available. His remarks came at a moment when several public figures have commented on the broader discussions surrounding cost transparency. Analysts note that public interest in the documented remains high because of the prominent names maintained and historical records, even though maintained in legal filings do not implicate criminal activity. Experts caution that widespread online speculation often misinterprets the purpose and meaning of the legal document. This traces the court filing and includes reference for a variety of reasons, including interviews, flat maintenance on secondary accounts, none of which automatically indicate misconduct. This is why responsible reporting continues to focus on verified facts, not assumptions and unconfirmed claims. Legal analysts reviewing the newly released materials point out that the document largely provided background information on past investigation and civil cases rather than revealing new developments. Several individuals named in the filings have publicly denied any wrongdoing. Any authorities have not issued new statements outlining criminal conduct against them. As a result, the emphasis remains on context, transparency, and the importance of distinction between documentation and accumulation. As the process of releasing historical court records, countries' federal judges may unseal additional documents in the coming months. This discussion will follow standard legal review and will continue to be monitored by major news organizations and legal experts to ensure accurate interpretation. Viewers are encouraged to rely on established news outlets and official sources to avoid confusion or misinformation as more historical material becomes public. We will continue tracking updated from court filing, trusted news organizations, and official statements to bring you clear and verified reporting as this discussion evolves. Understanding the difference between legal documentation and confirmed evidence remains essential to following this story responsibly. This is Talkpoint. Thanks for watching. If you found this report helpful, make sure to subscribe and Talkpoint and turn on notifications so you never miss any update.